Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my bows as requested by one of my viewers, menor que yo. I make these bows for my diaper cakes. This is one that I had just did a little trial on. You can make any color. I use foam sheets, and I purchased the foam sheets at Joann's. They also have them at the Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And you don't need anything else. All you need is this foam sheet, a pair of scissors, glue gun. Well, I guess I shouldn't say you don't need anything else, but you know what I mean. You don't need anything fancy. I do them freehand. I don't use a pre-cut machine or anything like that. I just draw some lines with the highlighter and cut them out. It just works out, but I'll show you how I do it, okay? All right, guys, I started recording and I didn't, well, I thought I was recording anyway. Let me just show you what I did. So I draw a straight line and then I do my little mounds like that. And I cut it out as evenly as possible, as you can see here. And what I do is I lay the foam sheet over the other foam sheet and just trace with the highlighter on one, so this side here. And then what I do is I flip the foam sheet this way and leave a gap, like maybe like a half-inch gap, and then trace it again. And once I do that, I cut it out. And okay, I had glued it together and I had to take it apart so I can show you guys. I'm sorry. This video is probably not the best, but anyway, so that's going to be the end result there once you cut out your shape. And what you're going to do is you're going to have the ends meet in the center. You put a dab of the hot glue, obviously, and then you just hold it in place until it dries. Just be careful, you don't want to burn yourself. I'm pretty used to the hot glue, so I don't get burned anymore, but just be careful. So you hold it in place like so. And you'll see right now. There it is. All right, so now don't worry about too much about the center being a little messy. By the way, that's what the bow looks like for a little girl. And you see me pointing at the center there. You're just gonna cut a little strip of the same foam. Nothing too wide, nothing too thin. And also you don't want it too long, but that's easy. You could just, you know, trim it as you go. And obviously you want to center it. So that would be pretty much, once you glue it all together, that's your bow for a boy. And again, if you want a bow for a little girl, then you would do the back piece of it, and I'll show you that next. Okay, now to make a little girl's bow, you want a piece of foam that's about an inch or an inch and a quarter larger on each side of the bow that you made. And like you see me there, I just pretty much trace the bow that I have. And again, I try to trace it to where all the mounds and everything are pretty even. And then I just cut it out. And once you have your piece cut out, you want to cut what I call the wings. So see, it's simple. It looks like an hourglass somewhat. And then you just kind of cut the wings. And again, I do everything freehand because I don't have a Cricut machine or anything yet. And I'm sorry, I apologize. This was a little rushed. I do my videos like around 2 or 3 in the morning because I'm used to my clock already from work. But anyway, you get a pretty good idea of what to do. And again, you cut the little wings. You call it like mermaid tails or wings, whichever you want to call them. And you trim them, try to get them even. Okay guys, so now you just assemble the bow. You just put the 2 pieces together and you glue them. I didn't glue this piece right here on the video, but I glued it after the fact, but that's pretty much your finished product right there. That right there, the silver one is one that I had previously done. And the wings, or what I call the mermaid tails, are not so narrow. They're a little bit wider, looks cleaner, looks better. But, you know, have fun with it. Nothing has to be perfect. Again, it's done freehand. It's handmade, so, you know, it's really not a big deal. It still looks pretty. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video.